Aspirin is one item that is present in practically every first aid kit. A common painkiller is an aspirin. It is referred to as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, or NSAID, by healthcare professionals. This is due to the fact that it not only relieves pain but also edema and fever. In addition to being used in medicine, aspirin has numerous other uses. There are various skin and hair issues that this drug can treat. Additionally, your entire household can utilize it. 7 aspirin uses that you probably didn't know about. 1. Treat ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs can be quite painful and uncomfortable. A hair follicle that is entrapped under your epidermis is known as ingrown hair. Amazingly, aspirin can be used to treat this. Salicylic acid is a substance that eliminates dead skin cells from the affected area and may be able to free a hair follicle that has become enclosed beneath your skin. Aspirin also lessens the pain and discomfort brought on by an ingrown hair, in addition to the swelling and redness. Aspirin can treat a mild infection by eradicating bacteria and disinfecting the region. Here's how to get rid of those bothersome ingrown hairs and prevent symptoms. Mix 2 or 3 aspirin pills with 1 teaspoon of warm water until a paste-like mixture forms. To the paste, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the paste to the area that is afflicted. Leave it on for 12 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and massage the skin dry with a soft cloth. 2. Treat pimples and acne. We have all experienced facial markings from acne and pimples that are ugly. When we have these on our faces, we do not feel attractive and we feel as though people are staring at us, which is uncomfortable. If you need assistance, aspirin is your best bet. Salicylic acid is a component of aspirin. Through the removal of oil and dead skin cells, this chemical helps to clean your pores. Additionally, it lessens discomfort and redness. Your face will recover rapidly after your pores are cleaned. Here's how to use aspirin to get rid of acne and pimples that are unsightly. Crush 2 or 3 aspirin tablets, then combine them with some water or lemon juice to make a paste. Apply it directly to the zits or acne. Let it sit for a few minutes before properly washing it off. Repeat once daily. 3. Helps against dandruff. A frequent issue that many individuals deal with is dandruff. You might not have suspected that aspirin could aid with dandruff relief, but guess what? It can. Again, the same salicylic acid that cleans your pores can also remove dry skin from your scalp to leave it clean. Flakes can be removed during your next shower. Here's how to acquire dandruff-free hair. Grind 2 or 3 aspirins into a powder, then combine with a little amount of shampoo. Use the mixture to shampoo your hair while massaging your scalp. Leave for 5 minutes. Rinse and give your hair a second gentle shampoo wash. Repeat once or twice per week. Another approach to do this is 2 aspirins should be dissolved in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Apply the mixture on your scalp. Leave it on for 35 minutes. Thoroughly wash your hair. Apply this anti-dandruff remedy a few times a week. 4. Relieve insect and mosquito bites. It can be extremely uncomfortable and even painful to get bitten by a mosquito or any other insect. Aspirin may help out. Aspirin can reduce edema caused by an insect bite in addition to relieving pain. Aspirin can help prevent the redness, itching, and burning that might occasionally result from bug and mosquito bites. Try this the next time a mosquito or other insect bites you. Powder a few aspirins to a fine consistency. Add a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and let it sit there for a couple of hours. Use warm water to rinse it off. To treat small bites, moisten the area and apply aspirin directly to the bite. This is quite important. If you think the bug or insect that bit you was poisonous, seek medical attention right away or go to the hospital. 5. Remove calluses from feet. Additionally, aspirin might soften corns and calluses on your feet. Aspirin can act as an exfoliant. It can therefore remove any dead skin cells that may be present in your body. Your skin will feel smooth after exfoliation. Your likelihood of developing calluses and corns is lower if you have smooth skin. Here's how to take care of your corns and calluses. Combine 3 crushed aspirin tablets with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water to make a solution. Microwave a piece of fabric before soaking it in the prepared solution. Apply it to the affected area. After 15 minutes, scrub your feet with a pumice stone. Keep doing this once per day for a few days, until your calluses are really soft. 6. Treat bee and yellow jacket stings. Look no further than aspirin the next time you or a loved one gets stung by a bee or a yellow jacket. Aspirin's active components aid in combating the sting venom. This causes the sting to heal more quickly. Additionally, aspirin can reduce the pain and swelling brought on by bee or yellow jacket stings. What you should do is take 2 or 3 aspirins. To dissolve the pills and make a thin paste, add a few drops of water. Apply it to the affected area and let it air dry. Use warm water to rinse it off. Repeat as necessary. It's crucial to realize that if you have a bee sting allergy, this cure will not help you. You should seek medical care right away if it happens. 7. Eliminate keloids. Aspirin can help reduce the size of keloids and lighten scars. Again, salicylic acid is helpful in this situation. The excess keratin protein that is present on the skin is broken down by the acid. Please be mindful that this technique works better on recently formed keloids. To make a paste, combine 4 aspirin tablets with a little lemon juice. Apply it to the region that is affected. In order for the paste to thoroughly dry, leave it on for at least 22 minutes. To soothe and hydrate the skin, wash it off and dab on a little olive oil. Repeat this for a few weeks, twice every day. Older keloids are more challenging to treat and could necessitate medical guidance. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.